Hi, I'm Damaja. I'm hand embroidery artist and designer. I collaborate with local designers and sustainable brands to create ethical clothing. All the images I perceive daily, such as objects, people and photographs, find their way into my design process. I work mostly with collages, combining, say, a photo, an animal and an object that are in my space. I draw my designs directly on clothing and then I just start embroidering. I truly feel like I was put on earth to embroider. I love working with my hands, far from the computer, and I was doing this since I was a kid. This is a craft that lets you express a complete idea on a tiny surface in a short time. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to create hand embroidery on stretchy fabrics using a collage design. For the final project, you will embroider a sweatshirt made of collage of everyday images on objects. First, I'll talk about fabrics and threads, and then I will take you through a few stitch techniques. Next, we'll work out our design. I will show you how to combine different sources of inspiration into a single image, position them and transfer it to the fabric. Then it's time for needle and thread. I will give you some tips for holding the garment and then I'll help you select the first stitch types. I will also show you how to combine different colors of threads to create subtle gradients in your design. Then we'll just fill in the details and then we are done. Finally, we'll go through some other placements that you can use and how to ensure your sweatshirt's longevity, including washing and maintenance. By the end of this course, you will be able to embroider all kinds of everyday objects into an exciting fashion designs and on stretchy fabrics to boot. To take this course, you will need a sweatshirt, hand embroidery threads, needles and a hoop. Take a break from the screen and discover the fine art of hand embroidery.